Nice metal frame.
White.
So show me the lights, Joe. You did a nice fucking job here, dude.
So you have permanent lights that you can switch colors.
Cool.
Like this.
You turn my RC room into a discotheque here.
Yeah. So this is all the colors you can pick, but you can also adjust them, and you can have sequences with the music.
Hell yeah.
Look at this. See? They work by vibration, by sound.
Wow. So when my dog Oreo barks, it's gonna go crazy.
And then you have different sequences you can create like this. Yeah, it's some little cool lights that give you a different
You're a
accent.
freaking artist, Joe.
Yeah, this guy's a fucking artist.
You're amazing, brother.
This is gonna be all finished nice, Acadia white. I'll
Nice.
show you the colors.
Cool.
It's like a light white. It's not white. It's a little off white.
You know, my Dragster.
Like antique white, huh?
My Dragster has slicks made dirty it, no? The rubber tires, you think we'll stick to it? Oh no.
Where? To here?
Yeah or no?
No.
No.
No. Should be still consecutive then. Percebes? Isto é para trás. This is the back. This is still flush. This is não está tudo puxado por dentro.
Hopefully it'll hang off the wall there.
You gotta find the studs, man.
I gotta find the studs. It's
We're
gonna
going
be
to find the studs, or we may have to cut it
yeah.
and reinforce the back.
I think so because I have metal studs there.
But this, all of these get screwed into the studs.
My basement.
These goes into the studs. All these bar.
Oh, okay.
And then this one we may have to do a reinforcement so it's
Are you gonna
nice
put a
and strong.
screws from here?
Yeah, por dentro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because vai pousado, man.
Yeah, isso fica tudo, you don't see it.
I'm gonna have it hanging like this on my wall instead of reversed. Put some plexiglass. Nice. This is gonna be a real RC shelf. Very nice shelf for RCs, man. But my Dragster here will probably take up most of the spot. Looks good, Joe.
Yeah.
Looks like reminds me of Knight Rider.
Yeah.
Well, you're
Yeah,
going inside there?
about it. You can turn them on and off with your phone. Once we connect it to your Wi-Fi,
Yeah,
then
yeah,
you can control the lights.
cool.
A little bit.
It's badass.
Yeah. Now you works with the sun. Yeah.
Cool. I got to start up one of my engines and see how the lights go with an engine on.
That's it, John.
Very nice,
This was the idea that I told you about it. That
Yeah.
this way you can see the car. Look at the bottom. Where are you gonna see?
Yeah, you got a nice idea, bro.
The way you're gonna see it from the bottom is like this. Come on this side. These are you gonna see the cars from underneath.
Oh, cool. Yeah, yeah.
You know, and the lights. You're not gonna see any of the lights. You're just gonna see the light, but no bulbs. You're not gonna see the back because it's frosted.
Nice. All right. One's gonna be nice too. This one 8 feet long, right? And this one's 7.
8 and 7.
Nice. I like your setup here, Joe. I like your setup.
Oh, the setup over here is great.
Yeah, nice. You got a big ass workshop over here, man. You know what we gotta do here, bro? A nice RC track. Indoors, man.
Indoors.
It would get kick ass, bro, on Long Island. Yeah, you look at the ceilings here, man. You could probably run nitro and gas in here.
No, the ceiling height over here is fucking nice.
This is like being outside. You can have a whole corner over there for rock crawlers.
Isto aqui vou pôr on wheels.
Then you got another workshop in your truck here, I see.
Yeah, agora está mais limpo. Tirei toda a ferramenta fora, mas se manda these guys to fucking clean everything up.
Nice. Look at that. The workshop in your truck is better than most people's shops.
Yeah. Não, isso não tá
This-
organizado, velho.
You got a better setup here than my garage, bro.
É. Vou fazer cabinets desse lado agora,
Nice.
que é para balancear um bocado o peso e depois vou deixar um centro ao meio.
Senão o texto está tudo ao...
You're gonna
Yeah,
put cabinets.
I'm gonna build cabinets on this side.
Uh-huh. Cool.
You know what this truck is called, John?
That's a
Truck Depot.
truck depot, huh?
Yeah. You got Truck Depot.
It's a Chevy, brother, too. It's a Chevy.
Use the beast and just get the transmission on it.
It's my buddy Joe's business here, his company. He's an awesome woodworker. Does all types of stuff, man. Cabinets, you name it. Closets, custom furniture.
This way.
Before we start, you want to have a coffee and a little zap? I like your portable garage, Joe. I like your portable garage.
Yeah, man. E agora não está muito organizado. 7 3/4. Que ali tem uma espera aqui. Vamos aqui. Aqui agora pega nela agora aqui assim, só que agora tenho que amarrar esta ponta. Aqui para o fio, sabes? Não quero que o fio fique aqui para fazer peso.
See how I insulated it, Joe?
Aqui.
5/8 rock and insulation, bro.
Yeah, no, she's right. It's
Hã?
Plexiglass. Cool. Looks like a night rider, bro. Maybe a freaking nightclub in here.
This goes actually with the sound.
Yeah, we can put no music because UMG will give me a fine. Copyrights. Look at that shit.
This
Nice.
is on the sequence, but you have
Zah! Zah!
you have permanent light too. Like, see, this is like fixed light.
Yeah, I like the white one.
I like the blue one. Matches the fish tank.
Yeah.
Well, that looks badass.
And then this you work out with the app. With the app, you can change the colors and adjust.
So you gotta
it.
put an app on the phone.
Yeah.
He thinks he's
Hey,
he thinks he's
where are you
falling.
going?
Oh,
Where are you going?
Look at Ario, the first guy up there.
Oh, cool.
All right.
You can inspect him now. You can
He
inspect
is.
him from the bottom, John.
There he is. What's up, Ario? Bro, he's not even moving, bro. He's.
Position.
Tá marcado?
Não, aqui nós agora, a altura aqui vai ser a altura que o John quiser.
Yeah.
É onde
John é
vai
que manda.
I think right there, where you are, Joe, is good.
I think it's good, right, John?
Yeah.
Só dos lados, né?
Mano,
E aqui, Joe, marca aqui.
aqui nós ficamos com estamos marcados. Ok.
This thing's a beast. What's up, boss? What you got? I can mod you.
Ok, dá pra cá agora a peça.
Aí pra cima?
Não, você não. O bicho até mói. Vamos no lado. You're gonna call a cow. The cover goes over. É o seguinte, essas peças aqui, elas
It matches the Novorossi boxes, Joe.
Pra cá um pouco.
Tem que puxar.
You like the MGT?
Yeah, look in the bottom. You can fucking see the whole car. Is it there? No.
Nice, man. First RC on my shelf. MGT 8.0. We gotta put the Dragster up there. I hope it fits, bro.
Yeah, put it down, put it over here now.
All right. Just another look. I'm really happy with this, man. It's badass. It really does. It's gonna look so good when my Primal RC Dragster is up there. Oh yeah. And what's cool about this is I got an app now on my phone and I could change the colors through my phone. It's pretty cool. I can turn it off from the phone. I could put whatever color I want. It's very cool. All right. Once I got my, I got to clean over here. Every little nook and cranny. I'm gonna clean everything on my shelves. See this? I'm gonna clean everything. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days past now. Just one last look. I got everything pretty much cleaned up. I got my Primal RC Dragster down here. That's the whole reason why I did these shelves. I was only going to do one shelf, just this one, for my Dragsters. Right, because these two guys sit more often than my other RCs. Alright? And I'm telling you, I really love my Primal Dragster. I really do. Yeah, man, so I'm making more room here, for sure. So, my original plans were to put my drag Baja, that I do not use for off-road, up here. I was going to have it over here. Alright, and then the Primal RC Dragster with this nose all the way up against the wall. The two of them should fit here. Alright, and that way they're stored away and they're looking nice. And when I'm over here chilling, with Ori over here chilling over here, laying down, look, I can be like watching my TV, watching my shows, watching my videos, and then boom. Any questions? Zah, na cafe, zah. Look at that. Zah. Every now and then I'll be chilling, and all I gotta do is look over here at my Dragster and get motivated for racing, kid. Any questions? You know, we got this blue light, and I got that blue light. I'm digging that. It's pretty cool. When you have the lights shut off, it feels nice. It looks nice. And I could change the colors on my phone, but let's put the blue that I like. But this blue here is looking pretty good with the Primal. It's making a Primal pop. Here, let me show you the blue. Okay, so here it is. I mean, it looks badass. Yeah, very nice, man. You know, just puts me in a good mood. And that's it. I'm over here just chilling over here. All right. When I get engines sent to the house, and my wife finds them and catches them, this is where I'm sent to. You know. But yeah, man, look at that. Let's shut these lights off. Let's take a look. Look at it. I still have to clean this whole area here. There's a lot of dust. I mean, my wife helped me out. She cleaned everything up here pretty much herself. And now I'm putting everything back away my way I want it. You know, I can eventually take this Baja out of there, put it up there, make more room for more RCs. Any questions? For now, that's just storage. And once I get, this is like bodies. I got 5T bodies, X2 bodies there, a bunch of stuff. I can eliminate that, clean that up, and I can have more room for RCs there. Over here we got some arbor press. We have a few things here, tires. I could clean that up a little better. You know, I have a ton of tires, a bunch of tires here. Got a bunch of nitro engines here. I can clean this up. I can put all these tires together someday, and then make room for all my nitro engines here, to make room up here, or make room for another RC. Any questions? I gotta put my Chevy brother Dale Earnhardt over here on this wall. Alright, and that's it. I got a bunch of bodies here for the 5T. I wanted to go over my nitros, but I may just start on my MTXL. I gotta still take everything off these shelves and clean these shelves up. Alright, let me continue cleaning this up here. Stay tuned for more. We got a lot of stuff going on, so. Alright. Oh, let's see how it looks without the lights. I mean, look at that. Nice. Zah. Look at that, people.